What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I kind of want to go over how I made my first $100,000 online. I've seen a couple of these videos and I kind of got inspired. I don't know, I think it's just kind of interesting to see where people came from, dude. Like, kind of get a backstory on who I am and how I came here and how I am where I am today, and kind of spit some motivation for you guys, because I think a lot of people need that nowadays. So where I began, dude, I grew up in Memphis, Tennessee. It was a very small town. I think it's top 2 dangerous cities, or it's like in the top 5 most dangerous cities in the United States of America. It's not very nice. And my come up story is probably one of the craziest stories you'll ever hear, dude. Like, it's weird how shit just shifted, dude. Like, I don't understand. I don't feel like a lot of people were in the same position I was. I got into making money online when I was about 13 years old, dude. Really young. I was 12 years old and all I wanted for my birthday was a mic. I think I have it in the car, actually. It's a blue snowball. I still have that same blue snowball I got back when I was 13 years old, dude. And that's all I wanted to do was make YouTube videos, dude. Like, literally, that's all I wanted to do. I wanted to make YouTube videos. I was really big into gaming back in the day, and the big game, of course, back in 2013 was GTA 5, Call of Duty. I think it was Black Ops 2. Yeah, it was Black Ops 2. And I remember, dude, Black Ops 2 Zombies, goated. It's insane. It's all I would do, guys. I still have the videos on my old channel of me making zombie videos. Yeah, and they're still up, and I think they're privated now. I think I got like 2 million views worth of videos privated from zombies. Dude, it's just so funny how I started, dude. I came in making zombie videos, right? And then I transitioned to like GTA 5 videos, and I was a squeaker back then, dude. I used to get made fun of in the lobby so much. I ended up getting monetized, and keep in mind, YouTube was like very, very different back in the day, dude. Like, monetization was way different than it is now. Like, I remember, like, I started YouTube when you got 301 cap locked, and if you know what that is, it's basically when your views, you upload a video, and the goal was to get 301 views, because it would get stuck at 301 for like a day, and that was like the main goal, dude. And I remember my first video hit 301 views, and I thought I made it, dude. But I ended up making a video, I think it was on like a fire sword or something, and it ended up getting like 200,000 views. And back in the day, like, my CPM was like $1 per 1,000 views, so 200,000 views was around $200, and that was around the time I got monetized, and I got my first check for $200 on YouTube. I was ecstatic, dude. I was literally like $200 back in the day, boy. Man, I was rolling. Oh, I don't even know what I did with that money. I remember I had to fake my age and PayPal, and that was a whole problem later on down the line. I had to sign a bunch of legal documents. I ended up partnering with this company, and they completely finessed all my money on YouTube. I learned if I didn't partner with them, my CPM would have been insanely high. Like, I would have been making so much more money, probably 4 times as much. But that was back in the day. That was so long ago. That was when people were really partnering with these networks to get monetized. Now people just do it through Google AdSense. I started that, dude. I got finessed a bunch of money. And then I remember I was about 15 years old. Remember, I've came through a couple channels. I remember my first channel went through like 15,000 subscribers. My girlfriend at the time made me delete it. That stupid yeah, she made me delete my channel back in the day, dude. And yeah, it was crazy, dude. It was really crazy. And then I ended up making another channel, got that around to like 30,000 subscribers, and that one got deleted, and it was a bunch of gaming videos as well. It was a bunch of I don't know what game was out at the time. It was a Call of Duty. I have to go find it, but I made a ton of those videos. That channel got deleted, and then now I'm on the channel of Scrubs, which is my main one. It had 0 subscribers, obviously, as I started. So strung up, bro. I used to, like, when I had like 100 subscribers, I could comment on videos. This was back in the day when there wasn't millions of spam comments. I was like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll subscribe back, like sub for sub or whatever. And that worked back in the day. It wouldn't work now. There's way too many spam comments, but I don't know. It's crazy, dude. Like, yeah, it was crazy, bro. Cause like, I remember my transition from gaming videos to real life videos. It was actually wild, because I remember I posted These Kids Must Be Stopped, and if you guys probably know what that means, rice gum. That was a big trend back in the day, dude. And I was like, God, I gotta get on this money, dude. I posted the video, instantly went viral, bro. For me, like 200,000 views in a day was insane, and it got like so many views. I think it got 100,000 in like 12 hours or something, and I ended up getting grounded that night, right? I ended up getting grounded, dude, and I was like telling my mom, I was like, Mom, my video's blowing up right now. I gotta get back on YouTube. I gotta keep this up. Like, I was freaking out, dude, because I was at school. I was in the parking lot on my friend's phone, because she took my phone, and I was like looking at the video, and it was going crazy. Yeah, that was from there. It was insane. I ended up making so much money, more money than any of my friends in high school, dude, could even imagine. I think even more of my teachers, honestly, dude. Like, I started posting, and I had multiple videos on this channel, or my old channel, with like 4 or 5 million views. Not 5 million, 3 to 4 million views, correction. And they went bonkers, dude. Like, I used to upload top 5 videos, and basically what I would do is I would have a really clickbait thumbnail, clickbait title, really draw people in, and then basically what I would do is I would disguise that video as a prank video. Nobody's ever done that before. I've never seen someone do that. People fell in love with doing stuff like that, you know. I got some hate every now and then. But yeah, I was literally, I think my biggest month on YouTube, I made like, dude, I can't even put a number on it, bro. It was definitely in the tens of thousands, dude. It was crazy. Like for me back in the day, that was absolutely wild, and it's still wild to this day. But and then if you transformed it now, I stopped for a couple of years. I stopped doing all that stuff, and I really got confused with my life. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I didn't know where I was going. I didn't know what I was doing. I fell out of love with YouTube. I really didn't like doing it anymore, and I basically I quit. I just quit straight up, and I stopped making money online. I was really confused. I don't know why I did that to this day. I think I started getting girlfriends, and I started getting distracted, and that was a huge mistake. If I can go back, I would definitely change that, but I am where I am today because of that. I basically wasted a bunch of time. I think I wasted like 2 years of time, dude. Like that's precious time when you're a teenager. I wasted those 2 years. Eventually, if you fast forward like early last year, I was at the gym with my friend, and we were at the gym, and he mentioned dropshipping. He's like, dude, have you ever heard of dropshipping before? And I was like, no. I was like, I haven't, but I've heard that name like a couple times. I need to look into it. I went home, immediately watched some videos. I saw Sebastian's video. I saw a bunch of people posting dropshipping videos. I instantly fell in love with the idea of it, dude. It seemed really up my lane, something that I like doing, and I tried it out. I ended up finding him, Henrik's channel. I found it out. It wasn't my style. I didn't really like the whole, there's so many variables to it, and I'm all for risks, dude, but like that was pissing me off. Like it's just like you can do really well, but you can also spend a ton of money on ads. So it like you see $2 million made, bro. That's not $2 million made, dude, like at all. Like it just, I guess it is money at the end of the day, but it wasn't my style, and I wanted to find something else that was a little bit better and a little bit more profitable. So I ended up experimenting, and I remember one day I was selling on eBay, selling vintage items, and that kind of got me into where I was with Facebook Marketplace. I ended up selling stuff on there, and then I found a formula that was working, and it was working over and over and over again. If you guys know what I'm talking about, you've seen it on the channel before, to go watch some of those videos. But it's my Facebook Marketplace dropshipping strategy. Changed my life completely, got me where I am today, and now I'm making more money than I was making on YouTube, which is crazy. But I don't know, guys, it's really just it really just comes down to consistency, dude. You just gotta figure out what you want to do. Like if you don't know what you want to do in life, you're gonna be really screwed, and you're gonna go down a wrong path. Everything happens for a reason, so wherever you're at in life right now is where you got because of your decisions. So if you don't like where you're at right now, you need to change it. You need to figure out something quick and figure it out fast. Like I've heard people say like, oh, just wait for something to happen, or oh, things will get better eventually, you just gotta wait on it, or something around those lines. Like it doesn't work like that, guys. You gotta go out, you gotta go get it. And I'll be honest, dude, I don't make money if I don't try to make money. The only time I make money, ironically, is when I try to make money. So you just gotta keep at it, guys. I've been able to do a ton of stuff in the past year just because of Facebook Marketplace. I've been able to purchase my dream car, travel the world. Now we're in this penthouse in Las Vegas, dude, chilling. Like it's crazy, guys. Just keep at it. All right, guys, I love you so much. Subscribe to the channel, leave a like, message me on Instagram if you want any help with Facebook dropshipping, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.